All right, so velocity formula can be altered. So not only do we have distance over time, but as the triangle suggests, we have distance over time if we're trying to find the velocity. We also have we also have distance over velocity if we're trying to find the time. This also means that if we're trying to find distance, we can just take the velocity and multiply it by the time. That's what it means when it's beside each other. There are only certain equations that will work with this triangle. It really works well for some people. It doesn't work well for others. If it works well for you, then great. The problem is when you move beyond three units of measurement, or rather three units of data, it can get complicated and the triangle will not work. So as you can see, velocity equals distance over time. Time equals distance over velocity. And distance equals velocity times time. Okay. So if you were in class, this is where you would take out your formula sheet and write it down on your formula sheet. So again, here's the triangle showing the equations, the possible equations. So depending on what you're asked to find, if you're asked to find velocity, you'll be given a distance and a time. If you're asked to find time, you'll be given a distance and a velocity. And if you're asked to find a distance, you'll be given a velocity and a time.